In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch a bank transaction in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're fixing an error or simply need to recategorize a transaction, knowing how to unmatch transactions is an essential skill for keeping your books accurate and organized. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently handle unmatched transactions on your own. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, go to the left-hand navigation menu in QuickBooks Online and click on the section labeled Accounting. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage and review your financial data. Once you're there, look toward the top of the page and select the tab called Bank Transactions. This section is specifically designed to help you track and work with all of your bank and credit card transactions. Next, you'll need to choose the bank or credit card account that holds the transaction you want to fix. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're selecting the one that corresponds to the transaction in question. This will ensure you're working in the right place. Once you've selected the account, switch over to the Categorized tab. This tab is where you'll find all the transactions that have already been matched or categorized. Take a moment to scan through this list to locate the specific transaction you want to unmatch. If the list is long and you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. QuickBooks provides helpful tools to narrow things down. Use the search and filter options at the top of the page to refine your results. You can filter by date, amount, or even the transaction description to pinpoint what you're looking for faster. After you've located the matched transaction, look for the Undo option. This is what you'll click to unmatch the transaction. When you click Undo, QuickBooks will remove the match and return the transaction to its original state. Finally, to confirm that the process was successful, check that the transaction has moved back to the For Review section. This ensures that the transaction is no longer matched and is ready for further review or recategorization as needed. And that's it. You've successfully unmatched a bank transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.